All right, so this is the theory practice test for third grade. Remember that on your test, never, ever, ever use a pen. Always use a pencil. But for today, I want you to be able to see clearly what I do, and I like to tempt fate, apparently, to see if I make any mistakes. I probably will. So, in order for you to be able to see most clearly, and so I can drop the cap, I've got my pen out, my marker out today. So, question number 6, we're going to do all by itself. Write the number of beats each note or rest gets in 4/4 time. This is important because this tells us that the quarter note, the number on the bottom, the 4 on the bottom, stands for the quarter note. And it says that there will be 4 quarter notes in a measure, all right, between the bars. So 4 beats in a measure, very typical. All those songs you've been playing, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, all in 4/4 time. So this is fine. If it said something with an 8 on the bottom, we would have to count differently. So aren't we glad that it's 4/4? In this example, we need to write the number of beats, not another symbol. So the number of beats in this one. Can you think with me? Is this the half rest or the whole rest? This is the whole rest. The whole rest comes down from line number 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole rest hangs down like a guy walking around along, and he falls in the whole rest. This is opposite of this rest, which is the half rest. Guy walking along would fall right into it, right? He'd bump into it, but not fall, okay? So we have this rest, it's the whole rest. That means it gets the whole measure, or 4 beats. Next, what kind of a note is this? The half rest. It is worth 2 beats. This one is the half, I said half rest, didn't I? Half note. Half rest worth 2 beats. Whole note worth 4 beats. Quarter note, 1 beat. This one's a little bit tricky. Remember from question number 5, it has the dot next to it, not under it. Next to it means that this is the dotted half note, and it is worth 3 beats. That would be worth 6 points on your test. So make sure that you remember how many beats your rests and your notes are worth.